Well, she looks different now, huh? I think what I'm going to do is not replicate, but do something similar to my old bike that I first did way back in 2006 when I got on the cover there of Motorcycle Classics. So I think I'm going to shorten the seat a bit, but I like that Dunstall stroke Rickman look. But this time I got a set of Leicester rims, which I'll probably still use it. But I think the seat's a bit too long, so I'm going to cut a couple of inches off that, or 50 mil, or 5 centimeters, or whatever's nearest. And go that way. Still a long way to go, but it's looking pretty tough. I put the other forks on, as you see, but the same bloody length. The tubes are the same length, but no matter, I'll put shorter ones on when I rebuild the forks. But something I've done here, and I'll put on this video, is remember I said I'll change the front brake, and that's what I've done. This time I wanted to do something different, so I've gone with the Behringer, and it's a way better setup. Let's just cruise into that so you can see what I've done.